this uh, Pong is not played very much in Serbia, more northern parts of Serbia, but this I really enjoy this. This is amazing skill that this man has, and but I do not understand really why it is so fun and Pong having to be together and not on the. There is no reason for this, but as I said before, we not have cell phones in Serbia, so this commercial show does not pertain to me as much. But I would love to have the skill to the stick and chain to hit things and people to beat. This is good. It is good to say this. I will have to tell my friend Bira Pucheva this, and I think we should practice this skill and enjoy this video. It is amazing to see this. So please practice and enjoy this as I have.